Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
A variety of factors in photography can cause poor-looking skin tones in your subjects. Elements provides the Adjust for Skin Tone command that attempts to restore human skin tones to a more natural look. You can adjust an entire layer or a selection. It's usually a good idea to select just the areas of skin that you want to adjust by using a selection tool, so as not to change the other elements of your image unnecessarily. Once you have made your selection, then choose Enhance, Adjust Color for Skin Tone from the menu bar. Next, click into an area of skin that you want to change. Click around until you achieve your desired results. You can also use the Skin and Ambient Light sliders to make further adjustments. The Tan slider adds and removes brown, while the Blush slider adds and removes red. The Temperature slider changes the overall color, meaning warmer or red to the right and cooler or blue to the left. Simply click the OK button when you are done.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.